Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'll be showing you how to register for Royal Bank of Scotland's online banking services. But before you learn to do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and for more videos, don't forget to hit the bell icon. So let's get started. So first you open your browser and go to Google, and on the search bar you will search for Royal Bank of Scotland. And so personal.rbs.co.uk is the official website for Royal Bank Scotland. So once the website is loaded, you have the option here on the left to log in with digital banking. You will click there and you'll be brought on to this next web page. So since we're not signed up yet, you scroll down and you have this option, not an online user, sign up here. You click on sign up here. You'll be taken to another web page. So to set up digital banking, you have to be aged 11 or over. You need to have your account number and a sort code handy. And for credit card only customers, you will need your credit card number and the expiry date of your credit card. So once you have that, you have to choose the kind of customer you are, a personal customer, business, or credit card only, or mortgage only customer. You'll choose the one that fits you. Then you'll enter your first name, your middle name if you have any, your last name. You'll enter your date of birth here, and you'll also enter your postcode if you have any, and if you don't live in the UK, you can leave this blank. So once you do that, you will click on next. And after that, you will have to enter your account number and your social security number if you have any, and after that you can create a login username and a password, and after getting you'll have to enter your email ID, and after getting a confirmation code you'll be good to go and you can start your online banking. So it's very easy to register for online banking in Royal Bank of Scotland. So I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to leave a like. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.